Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video we will talk about the allow later editing in the onSubmit settings. So let's head over to our onSubmit settings and tick the allow later editing, and let me show you what this does. So I'm going to choose an email field here where to send the editing link. So we're going to say, hey there, please edit, and I'll hit apply. And let's save this and publish. And let's fill in some information. So we'll do donkey and big donkey, and we'll do donkey at donkey.com. No, this one let's do, because this is where the email will be sent. So let's do formtitandemo@gmail.com. Submit this. And let's head over to our email, and I got an email from Form Titan, and I'll click on the hey there please edit, and this will open a draft, and I can change the information in here and resubmit. You can also send it to a set email. So for example, if I'll add another email field, and let's call this editor, and load this and hide it, and then I can load this from Salesforce or set it with a value rule, and then it will automatically send to this guy always and not to the actual filler. So that's another option you have. Let's take a look. If I'll head back to allow for later editing, I'll find the editor email here as well.